Nobody knew what to expect from him on the pro level, even though obviously he was a good player in college. But he got a great opportunity, and he made the most of it. That doesn't mean that because he played above where he was drafted that he now deserves back pay because he's been the starter for 4 years. But because there's been a lot of guys that drafted in the 6th round. Hell, Russell Wilson would deserve significant amounts of back pay. He won a Super Bowl on a rookie contract from a 4th round. So
Montana,
exactly. There's tons of examples of this. But the reason why this doesn't make any sense, BT, even though I love Michael Irvin, I love how he's the best. I love how he's putting his Cowboys on the spot with this one, right? But the reason it doesn't make any sense is because one, Dak hasn't actually won anything significant. And two, now if he had won a Super Bowl, I'd get it, right? But he hasn't won anything significant. And two, look what surrounded him from the very beginning. Now, the last couple of years, it's tailed off a little bit from a, offensive line dominant standpoint. But he came into the league. He still had one of the best offensive lines in football. He had Zeke Elliott, who was a stud as a rookie. And actually, I think he led the league in rushing as his rookie season. Dak Prescott, Zeke Elliott did. So he had a stout run game, a great offensive line, an improving defense, a coach who got him and didn't put him in too many bad situations. I'm talking about Jason Garrett at the time. And so everything kind of worked out perfectly for Dak Prescott to succeed without having to have too much pressure. You know what I mean? Like being that guy who's got to make every play in 3rd down or every play in the 4th quarter. He was never that guy. So I get it. You think that he stole because of the success, but he kind of had a nice setup when he came into the league, with the Dallas Cowboys, with Tony Romo going down early and him picking up the slack.